Good day, I'm Theodore Henry and this is your JIS News for Thursday, November 23, 2023. A state of public emergency has been declared for 3 additional parishes covering all of Hanover, St. Catherine and Clarendon. These are in addition to St. James. The enhanced security measures take effect today and will last for an initial 14 days. The information was announced in a press release by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, who says the measures underscore the government's commitment to the safety and security of Jamaica. The police force says Clarendon and St. Catherine together account for 24% of all murders since the start of the year. As for Hanover and St. James, they recorded a combined 20% of all murders since January. Data also shows St. James having the highest number of murders across all police divisions with 169 and the highest number of shootings totaling 101 when compared to last year. Over in Clarendon, the parish was ranked the 5th highest for the number of murders with 99, reflecting a 14% increase. The SOEs are to enable the security forces to conduct targeted operations aimed at dismantling criminal networks and curbing murders. The government is assuring the public that their safety and security remain high priority.
We must be persistent and deliberate in putting forward and seeing through the measures that will bring to heel the beasts that are loose in the land.
The government and the leadership of Prime Minister Holness will continue to make strong and decisive action to contain, apprehend, and bring criminals to justice. We'll provide the security forces with the required resources, fiscally and legally, to apprehend, to hunt, find, and apprehend these criminals. There will be no hiding place in Jamaica, can I assure you.
Members of the public are being urged to follow the instructions of the ground commanders. They are also being asked to share information by calling the JDF tip line at 876-837-8888, JCF tip line at 811, Police Emergency 119, or Crime Stop at 311. Meanwhile, government will be investing a further $500 million towards police infrastructure in the next fiscal year. National Security State Minister Juliet Cuthbert-Flynn, who made the announcement, says the ministry will undertake 25 major renovation and repair projects at a cost of $500 million, reflecting the commitment to enhancing the working environment of all law enforcement officers. She adds that a total of $13.3 billion will be spent on upgrading police infrastructure within the next 4 to 5 fiscal years. The Minister of State was addressing the Transforming Our Police Service TOPS Awards ceremony in Montego Bay yesterday. It was organized by the Police Civilian Oversight Authority, PCOA. The awards ceremony highlighted the culmination of the efforts of the 4 divisions in Area 1, which includes 35 police stations in Westmoreland, St. James, Hanover, and Trelawney. Bluefields was named the top police station in Area 1. Recognition was also given to the winner of the inaugural TOPS poster competition, DJ McBean of Westwood High School. The Ministry of Tourism is supporting small and medium tourism enterprises, SMTEs, with digital marketing skills training through the Tourism Linkages Network. Minister Edmund Bartlett says the program has facilitated island-wide trainings for SMTEs.
The COVID-19 pandemic has reshaped business paradigms, highlighting the necessity for SMTEs to leverage digital technologies for success in this post-COVID tourism industry. This initiative has facilitated island-wide training for Jamaican SMTEs in various digital marketing skills.
The minister was speaking at the TEF's business development session in Kingston on Wednesday. Some of the digital marketing programs include Google Digital Marketing, Reliable Soft Academy Training, SEMrush Academy Training, and Click-Minded Marketing Operating System. Minister Bartlett says the SMTEs are learning to provide greater global exposure for their products, services, and brands.
So we have to make your content get there. Because it's not just that you are competing now, but it is that you are presenting yourself. You're saying who you are. But guess what? You are saying it your own way.
Major upgrade work is to take place at the Savannah Lamar General Hospital in Westmoreland to transform the facility's aesthetics and operations. During a recent visit, Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton announced 3 significant upgrading projects. They include plans to expand ward space to add an additional 70 to 80 beds.
We have mapped out an area which is linked to the previous COVID ward, which was a temporary structure, the tent, but the base was built with the intention of expanding and creating more ward space. So the idea will be to add 1, possibly 2 more floors, which will add another 70 to 80 beds. And the team here will determine how those beds are apportioned, but it will add significant capacity.
This increase is expected to reduce wait time for hospital beds at the facility, which currently has a bed capacity of 280. The accident and emergency waiting area is also to receive an upgrade to create a more comfortable experience for clients. Work will also be done to the hospital's parking area and entrance. Dr. Tufton says the management team at the hospital has been charged with doing a technical assessment to finalize the scope of the work at the A&E department.
I take the view that therapy starts at the gate when people enter the institution, because they come in distress, and if they come and are treated properly through the customer service arrangement, placed in an environment where they can sit and at least wait with some comfort and get information, they begin to feel better even before the doctor sees them.
The third major upgrade project for the Savannah Lamar Hospital will see the redesign and reinstallation of the sewerage system, for which work is well advanced. Issues of breakdown in operating theater and diagnostic equipment will be solved through service level agreements that are being put in place as part of the improvements over the next year or so.
Which means that any provider of a technical equipment, whether it's an air conditioning unit or a diagnostic equipment, must provide service level arrangements. They must stock spare parts and they must provide it, so we minimize the downtime. That will also increase the efficiency of the operation of the institution.
And finally, the Ministry of Education will be collaborating with the Marcus Garvey In Schools Foundation to upscale Garvey's philosophy books so that more students can learn about Garveyism. Minister Favour Williams says the effort began last year as a pilot project with 22 early childhood institutions and has now expanded to 24 primary schools across all parishes. This is in addition to 1,844 students and 72 teachers who are taking part in the program at the grade 1 level.
In order to help us scale it up as well, we have been using the teacher-teacher workshops to prepare more teachers to participate in this program. So in time, many more of our schools will be included in it.
The Education Minister made the announcement during this week's post-cabinet press briefing at Jamaica House. She says the curriculum will emphasize skin color pride, entrepreneurship, and financial literacy, among other topics.
We do have lesson plans that were created, vetted, and found to be supportive of our current civics program, which has Garveyism as the underpinning principle on which the civics curriculum sits.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Theodore Henry. Thanks for watching.